everyone. How's the day? The day is great.
Or is it not?
So, I'm Irelan.
And I'm Abby.
We haven't been saying that.
We probably should.
We probably should. Because we def have a bunch of new words because we are nothing. What's good?
What the hell is up?
So basically, today we're gonna cook dinner, so it's shocking.
We're doing Kourtney Kardashian Poosh recipe.
Yeah. So we're making 2 of the recipes.
Hey girl, just get through it. It's Cece's cheese
Brags.
They look really good.
They're a Kardashian family recipe for holidays, so
we're gonna be the Kardashians right now.
Yeah, it's because it makes 2 dozen, 1.5 to 2 dozen, and we don't need that much. So we just got, how many ounces is this? 8 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. We didn't get parsley.
Do you think that's really bad?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they do. Like
Literally gonna be cheese and dough. Maybe we could just put spinach in it.
Yeah.
So we fucked the fuck up and didn't get parsley.
Fuck the
because we're stupid up. Then you need 1 package of phyllo dough thawed. So we didn't know what the fuck phyllo dough. This shit is thawed to the max though. We put it in the heater in the car and like just did it. But this is pastry because we looked up and like it's kind of the same thing. And then we need 2 sticks of butter. It doesn't say salted or unsalted, but we're using salted, and we set these out like 30 minutes ago probably. We don't know what cheesecloths are, so we're just gonna not do that step. Grate the cheese and put it into a large bowl first step. Here's a goddamn grater. This shit is like really gummy.
Gummy?
It doesn't seem like it's supposed to be grated. It just seems like gummy tummy. Dude, like look at this. Gummy tummy.
Get on. I'll do it. Oh hell. Gummy crummy.
Dude, it's literally the most gummy crummy. Like it's
Gummy
just
crummy? Who the hell has time? This is when they use their assistants. They're like, bitch. Great cheese. This is gonna take me a lifetime and 2 halves. I'm literally not having fun.
I have this baby spinach, and I guess I'll just rip it up.
Yeah.
You're supposed to get a large bowl. I guess I'll get that.
I think I'm developing arthritis.
Wow, that is interesting for sure. And I'm just laying it out so we're prepared.
Here, I want to get us zoomed out. If you could do that, my hands are cheesy, to say the least.
Alright, so next, we have to beat the eggs. Beat them.
We gotta beat them.
Taking these really cute eggs. And, you know, I like to rinse them off first because think about it. Came out of the chicken. Only 1 egg. I always get anxiety when cracking them. Yeah. I really suck at cracking eggs.
Did you?
All I do is just, this is how I crack eggs. Literally, look.
Oh.
I just squeeze it with my hand.
In the future, we have to cut up chicken.
I'm just ripping apart some spinach to add.
I can't believe I did that. That's a big accomplishment for me.
Will you grab that hair?
So, we found a hair in it. If you, a chunk fell out of the hair. I wouldn't recommend the hair.
I would recommend hair. So I'm gonna add, because I'm a fucking chef.
We've never cooked a day in our life.
I know it's Italian seasoning, and I think that that's a good fun. It has oregano, basil, thyme, rosemary, marjoram ham, and garlic.
Marjoram ham and garlic.
So I'm gonna add probably just guess it.
Guess it. She better not do too much. So it looks really good.
Okay, so we actually cut it.
So do you want to show them what's going on?
So we cut it into 6.
Yeah, it said it made a dozen, but we only got 6.
So now, we gotta do the butter, and then the scoops of cheese, and then chicken. Okay.
I love melted butter straight up.
So let's get a good frame. I love it straight up. It's my favorite dessert.
Yeah.
It says to take that butterness. Because it was $4 to buy one, and we're not about to do that right now.
We're not about it.
So it says to...
Oh, do you think that's a good size? Because I think...
And here, move it. They need to see. Or I guess I could do it on the last one because it's a little closer up.
It's
But
alright.
I'm just doing that.
Can you guys see?
Probably not.
We did.
Oh my god. This is going to be so good. So we made them. They're delicious.
We don't know
Just
yet,
kidding.
but...
Devour these in butter.
Yeah.
And then flip them over and devour them again.
Don't you love butter? You gotta love butter. 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden brown.
I'm guessing 15 because they're thick.
They're big boys. We needed almond meal. Almond meal.
I don't even know what almond meal is.
Anyone?
I'm really nervous. Are y'all ready?
I'm really nervous.
Sweet almond meal! Okay, so I took this bowl that we made our other mixture in, and we're gonna make a new mixture. 2 mixtures in one mixture day. So first you gotta do half a cup of almond meal. Okay, so we're taking this unsweetened organic coconut.
Apparently paprika's sticky. Sticky Vicky.
Okay, so since they're done, they've been cooking for 30
So we
minutes.
got paprika. I don't think they're done. Ooh, they're getting there. Ooh.
They're just, we did them way too big.
Yeah.
Way. They're like a meal.
Like goddamn calzone.
Should I flip it?
No. Now we need 1/4 tablespoon cayenne.
So we got this chicken, and Abby and I have a fear. We got these bags from the store.
Even though we're not trying to be wasteful, we
Have to. And I'm only going to touch the chicken with the bag on my hand. It's just how it has to be. Well, it says to cut this into strips, and then you dip them.
Oh
no. Oh no. Look at that.
You gotta get that the fuck away.
I've never been more scared. I might cry. I've never cut someone's fucking body before. Freaking the fuck out. It's really, really like freaky. I hate this. I'm never doing this again. Never. I'll never.
I'm sure you are.
I'll never, dude. There's our first chicken strip.
Look at her. So we want them all the same size, pretty much.
Yeah.
So.
We want them to be smaller because we're not about big daddy life.
I gotta do this by hand, Irelan.
You do?
Yeah, it's just picking up all of it. So I'm throwing the
At least you don't have to cut off the scabs.
Yeah, but maybe your dog could eat it.
No.
No?
I'll never say hello to her again.
Not raw, but like just
yeah.
a plain one.
Yeah. We are all done with the chicken. I'm really proud. And we're popping it in the oven. It's 10 minutes on each side at, what's the thing, 450?
No,
Or
just
400? Alright guys, we cleaned everything up and I hated the whole experience. So basically we're going to make a sauce for the chicken. The recipe for the sauce that she did has mustard in it, but we don't like mustard. So we're making our own. So we're just going to take some meal. Alright, so
This is our Courtney K meal. This is what she
beautiful.
eats.
So let's try the chicken.
Alright, you're doing a full nug. I guess I will too. I like it.
Not my favorite, but alright.
Not my fave, but like it's good.
Okay, well, let's try one of these.
Mmm.
So
make that.
make that, not the chicken.
Well,
Unless you love chicken.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Have a good one.
Have a good one. Bye, everyone. Bye.